Welcome to our show titled Caring for Your Kidneys. Kidneys are vital to maintaining homeostasis in the body. This is a term meaning an organism's self-regulating ability to stabilize the body in response to a changing environment. Kidneys are naturally designed to carry out many important functions to help us achieve homeostasis. In today's show, we will give you a brief introduction to these organs and some tips to take care of them. Most human beings are born with two kidneys, which are bean-shaped and about the size of a fist. They are located just below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. Even though the kidneys only account for about 0.5% of the body's weight on average, they receive more blood than all other organs except the liver. Healthy kidneys have amazing filtering ability. They can filter about 180 litres of blood daily to remove waste and extra water through urine. Each of our kidneys is made up of about 1 million filtering units called nephrons. As the blood enters a nephron, it will travel through a group of tiny blood vessels called the glomerulus to filter the blood. Then another structure called the tubule returns required substances back to the blood while wastes are passed into the urine. The kidneys are delicate and multifunctional organs that constantly work to keep us healthy. They perform various essential tasks, such as maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, eliminating wastes, making hormones to produce red blood cells, and controlling blood pressure. Moreover, kidneys also produce an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong and healthy bones. Because kidneys are involved in so many vital tasks to maintain our health, we cannot live without them. People with impaired kidney functions may have to rely on treatment or dialysis. Many things can affect the functions of our kidneys, including diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney stones, a urinary tract infection, drugs and toxins. Because the filtering function of kidneys relies on a delicate network of blood vessels, having high sugar levels in the blood for an extended period of time can make the vessels become narrow, even clogged. Besides diabetes, kidney stones are also among the common risk factors for kidney disease. This term is often heard, but what are kidney stones actually? They are hard deposits composed of minerals and salts inside the kidneys. Diet, certain medications, dehydration, and family history can make minerals and salts more likely to crystallize and form stone-like deposits. When urine is passed from the kidneys to the ureter, which is a tube leading to the bladder, some stones will get carried in the urine. If the stones are big enough, it can block the ureter, causing severe pain in your back and sides. When that happens, it might even cause an infection or kidney damage if not treated. It is estimated that 1 in 10 people globally have chronic kidney disease or a slow decline in kidney function, and most of them are not even aware of it because many of the symptoms seen in the early stages are similar to general health problems. It can be hard to tell if one has the condition if not medically specialized in this area. Some warning signals can include noticeable changes in the appearance or the volume of the urine, swelling in ankles and feet, upset stomach, dry and itchy skin, and fatigue. If you are ever in doubt if any symptoms experienced are indicators of kidney problems, please don't hesitate to consult your doctor for an evaluation. Complications in the kidneys can seriously affect many functions in the body. Fortunately, there is a lot we can do to be proactive and safeguard these vital organs. Several key lifestyle choices can help improve kidney health. Let's look at some of the tips for protecting our kidneys and keeping them healthy. 1. Replacing meat with plenty of fresh fruits and veggies. This is the most simple and healthy way to safeguard the health of our kidneys. A study published in the Journal of BMC Nephrology found that people who consume plant-based protein were associated with a 70% decreased incidence of chronic kidney disease. Moreover, the kidneys have to work harder when animal person-based proteins are consumed.
Eating meat, for example, increases the workload on the kidneys within hours of consumption. But apparently, taking care of plant protein appears to be a cinch. This was done with beef, but any animal protein will do. Eat a meal of tuna fish, and you can see the increased pressure on the kidneys go up, again, within just hours, for both non-diabetics with normal kidneys and diabetics with normal kidneys.
Researchers have come up with several potential mechanisms to explain the link between dietary plant protein consumption and healthy kidney function. In one study, scientists reported that eating more plant protein from gluten can reduce oxidized low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. By lowering the LDL, the risk of kidney damage may be reduced, and the progression of chronic kidney disease may be slowed. In addition to the noticeable improvement in kidney function, plant-based proteins are rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamin C, which are also beneficial to kidney health. 2. Keep yourself well hydrated. The kidneys need adequate water to remove toxins, waste products, and unneeded compounds from the blood. As such, drinking plenty of water at regular intervals throughout the day will dilute the urine concentration, decrease urine acidity, and flush away excess salt. According to the National Health Service of the UK, one should drink around 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, equivalent to 1.9 litres, including the water content in your meals. If you're living in an area with a warmer climate, the amount of water will need to be increased accordingly. So please remember to always keep yourself hydrated. This will ensure you have an adequate amount of water for the kidneys and other parts of the body. 3. Maintain a healthy blood pressure. When we mention blood pressure, many people may relate it to heart function. What does it have to do with maintaining kidney health? This is because inside the kidneys, the filtering units, or nephrons, are supplied with an extensive network of tiny blood vessels. If the blood vessels are damaged by high blood pressure, they might not be able to transport oxygen and nutrients efficiently to nourish the kidneys. As a result, the kidneys may not be able to function well to get rid of waste products from the blood. When kidneys are unwell, they also may not be able to produce aldosterone, a blood pressure regulating hormone. This further puts the kidneys and high blood pressure in a vicious cycle. So it's important to eat a low-salt diet and maintain a healthy weight to keep the blood pressure in normal range. 4. Get regular exercise. Regularly exercising is a great way to maintain a healthy weight, which helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. By keeping the blood pressure in a normal range and lowering the bad cholesterol, blood vessels will become healthier and provide a better blood supply to nourish the kidneys. Ultimately, this helps the kidneys to carry out their essential functions to balance our internal state. 5. Develop a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle involves refraining from drinking alcohol, using illegal drugs, and smoking, as well as choosing the healthy vegan diet. Smoking lessens the blood flow to important organs, such as the kidneys, thus increasing the risk of kidney diseases. In addition, smoking may also interact with certain hypertensive medications and make them less effective. This can result in poor control of blood pressure and add to the kidney's workload. The finding of one study also supported the benefits of quitting smoking because participants showed a reduction in the decline in kidney function compared to active smokers. Alcohol can also affect kidney function by disrupting the water and electrolyte balance. While most street drugs, including cocaine, heroin, and amphetamines, can damage the kidneys, overuse of certain medications, such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin or ibuprofen, may lead to kidney failure. Therefore, the take-home message is to never use substances that are harmful to your body. We hope that today's episode has provided some useful tips for protecting your kidneys and encouraged you to make some simple lifestyle changes to benefit these organs.